Hello everyone, welcome to Bridge Bills. Today in this video we are excited to walk you through the Apply Credit feature in Bridge Bills. The Apply Credit feature allows you to adjust the bill amount of the supplier and the invoice amount of the customer, from the advance payment received or paid. As an illustration, let me demonstrate the steps to record, apply credit for the customer. To begin, navigate to the Collection section and choose Apply Credit. Next, proceed by selecting both the customer and the advance payment. You can view the remaining advance amount in the balance amount column. Furthermore, any refunds paid from the corresponding advance will be shown in the refund amount column. Click on View Refunds to view the refunds paid to the customer. Enable the checkbox of the respective invoice and enter the amount to be adjusted from the advance received. The green tile indicates approved collections while the red tile shows unapproved collections. You can view the details of the collection recorded by clicking the amount displayed on green and red tile. Final step is to click on Save. Navigate to the Collection Advance section to view the advance in which Apply Credit has been recorded. A dollar icon is used to indicate the credit matched against the corresponding collection advance. Additionally, Unlink option is provided to detach the collection advance that has been matched with the invoice. Likewise, a similar pattern is observed in recording Apply Credit for the vendor. That's all in this video. Hope this video finds you well. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching.